Interim Prime Minister Anwarul Haque Kakar said on Saturday that Pakistan was working on developing a social contract to ensure that the rights of the citizens were protected. He passed these remarks during an interactive session with a delegation of students from Harvard, who are in Pakistan on a visit. The students had also interacted with Chief of Army Staff Jen Asimuni yesterday. A number of topics came up for discussion in the meeting today, including the state of democracy, the economy, brain drain, and the challenges Pakistan is facing with terrorism. Interacting with the students, the Premier said it was not possible for a nation to divorce itself from America if it wanted to remain connected with global technology, research, and development. We are rational enough to engage in this relationship, but it doesn't mean we agree with everything that America does, and of course, we have a very healthy disagreement, he stated. Talking about Pakistan's role in the global economy, the Premier highlighted, "Don't forget that the capitalist system's frontline state was Pakistan. The entire GDP gross domestic product of the Western Hemisphere, probably 20 trillion or 40 trillion, is preserved because we fought a war with Marxist ideas where the Soviet regime, along with the whole of Eastern Europe, was giving and demonstrating an alternate political and economic system. If we wouldn't have fought from 1979 to 1989, the 30 trillion of the capitalist economy wouldn't have been there. We contributed to that. We were in the forefront, but I feel at times we fail to articulate what we have contributed towards global peace, global security, and global economic and financial institutions." Talking about delivering to the common man, PM Kakar said that the presence of two of the world's military might, the Soviet Empire and the NATO alliance, in the South Asian region over the last 7 decades had had a lot of implications on the society. At the same time, in the manner our state-building institution had responded in this environment and many external realities have shaped our choices, in which at times our democratic dispensation has been at discontinuation, sometimes our priorities to deliver to a common man has been out of context, he explained. In this process, PM Kakar continued, the government's spending spree was on issues that were of utmost importance to it, but did not prioritize the political, economic, and social rights of the common man. But we have a vision and we are trying to realize those visions and the greater value system on the basis of which this country was created, he assured. Citing the example of Israel and Pakistan, countries that were built on religious aspirations, the PM said that even though the nations had taken different courses and had different destinies, they lived in an environment where security was of utmost importance. If you delve in and dig out, again I would say these external factors were determining our choices. But now, PM Kakar said he believed the dust was settling down, the common man was becoming the nucleus and Pakistan was transforming towards developing a social contract in which the rights and responsibilities of the citizens were ensured and vice versa. It is a dual carriage, it has to come both ways.